1. Every NASA patent says the Earth is flat. What you do here is you go to Google, type in NASA patent of derivation and definition. There it is, nasa.gov, and here it is. And in the summary, it says, flying over a flat, non-rotating Earth. Proof 2. By the North Pole, the sun never sets during summer solstice.
Experienced by observers north of the Arctic Circle during summer solstice, where the sun can be seen circling over and around 360 degrees without ever setting. Depending how far north the observer is, the sun can be seen for several days or weeks, rising and falling as usual, but never fully setting beyond the horizon. This is because the sun, having reached the Tropic of Cancer, is making its tightest, narrowest circle over the Earth, so much so that observers positioned centrally within the Arctic Circle are never at any time significantly far enough away from the sun for it to set beyond their horizon.
Proof 3. Long-distance photography over 500 miles proves that the Earth is flat. Here is a picture of Tokyo scanning over 5,000 miles. As you can see, Tokyo is over 5,000 square miles in circumference.
You obviously don't know how big the Earth is. Actually, we do know how big the Earth is, okay? All you have to do is go to Google, NASA curvature calculator. The NASA curvature calculator says you lose 66 feet every 10 miles.
You would lose 6,668 feet.
So the world record for the longest photo is 274 miles. Show it.
It even says on the bottom there that it surpasses the curvature of the Earth, meaning somebody's lying.
It's impossible for a photo to exceed the curvature of the Earth.
Proof 4. Because of the sun's rays, you can tell that the sun is local and not 93 million miles away. A simple experiment that you can do, you take the light, you shine the light through some holes really close, then pull it away and you will see the rays of light change. If the sun was truly 93 million miles away, the rays would be coming straight in, instead of at an angle like what you see normally on an average day. Trust your everyday lived experience. The Earth is flat. Proof 5. Water always finds its level and always needs a container and can never show convexity. I have a container here, a container holding water that's level. Alright, you want to know what you have? This is what you have. That water's not sticking to the ball, dude. I have laws of physics that says water has to stay level. You have a theory of gravity, which is not a fact, that water sticks to a ball. So you got a theory that's not proven. I have laws of physics. Proof 6. The stars reset after 1 year and stay the same. The constellations and stars reset after every year. That is impossible. If you're on a spinning globe chasing a sun through the universe, your stars would change. But they don't. Every year they reset. That means the globe model is a fail. This is basic common sense.
Proof 7. All the pilots know the Earth is flat.
How long have you been a pilot for?
43 years.
Wow. Woo! What shape is the planet?
Flat.
We're supposed to keep it secret.
Can I talk to the pilot, please?
Right here.
You're the pilot?
Hi.
How long have you been flying for?
Like for Delta, 21 years, but maybe like 30 something.
I want to know, because they say the pilots know a lot. Do you think the Earth is flat or no?
I know it's flat.
You know it's flat? How long have you been flying for, you said?
Over 30 years.
And when you tell people that, do they think you're like crazy or no?
Only one person.
Only one person?
Yeah, I'm recording here.
Did you notice any curvature while we were up there?
No.
No? What did you see while we were up there?
Just the blue sky, white clouds.
Yeah, is it flat or?
Pretty flat.
Pretty flat?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you notice any curvature while we were up there?
Curvature? No.
No? There's no curvature?
It's just all flat.
What's up, pilots? Is the Earth flat or round?
Flat.
Thanks. I'm with you.
Are you a pilot?
Yes, sir.
One question.
Okay.
When you descend in the air,
Yeah.
do you dip or do you go straight?
It's straight.
Straight?
A little more with the nose out. That's it.
But straight. You don't dip into the...
No.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate
You're
you.
welcome, sir.
Guys, I'm going to ask you a question.
Yeah.
I've been flying, and I've come to the conclusion there is no curvature. I never allow for curvature. There's no way there's curvature. We're round and flat, aren't we?
Definitely.
We are, aren't we?
Flat as a
Thank
pancake,
you.
mate. Flat as a pancake.
How long have you been a pilot for? 43 years. Wow. What shape is the planet? Flat. We're supposed to keep it a secret.
I was reading a lot of stuff on the flat Earth.
Okay, yeah. True.
That's true?
Yep.
Okay, alright, cool.
Better late than never. Most pilots may have skipped over their training manuals. In their Flight Dynamics Summary, Section 112 explains all you'll need to know about what you're flying over. Heck, the military knows the same thing. NASA admits it as well. In tons of documents available to the public. They just assumed nobody would pay attention.